Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable dual camera mode on your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our EUFY app and then go to our device. So here's my camera connected right here, and then I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on the gear icon to open up settings, and then we're going to scroll down to video settings and then click on view mode. So here you have either single view, so it basically displays one camera at a time, so you can select either the 3x lens or the 1x lens, or you can do dual view, which basically turns on two cameras at the same time. So you get a 3x view or you get a 1x view. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.